The Chittagong Hill Tract in Bangladesh, home for many indigenous communities, is once again highlighted, burning everywhere and witnessing brutal violence by the illegal Bengalis settlers with the help and support of Bangladesh army. It is very sad stories we have been seeing for many decades. Like this kind of attack usually happen in Bangladesh, especially on indigenous community. It's a heartbreaking situation that demands global attention and action right now. Before understanding the whole story of this incident, let me come to the point to help you to understand clearly. On 18 September 2024, the violence erupted following a peaceful march for identity, where 40,000 indigenous people gathered in Khagrachari for demanding constitutional recognition of their rights and full implementation of 1997 Chittagong Hill Tract Peace Accord from the newly formed Bangladesh government. But the Bangladesh government denied to give full right. On 19 September 2024, a tragic incident happened when a criminal illegal Bengali settler died while getting away after stealing a motorbike from an indigenous Chakma. Because of his death, entire illegal Bengali settler are got another reason to start violence and to killing the Chakma people. Now the entire Chakma community is facing immeasurable problems by attacking illegal Bengali settler and Bangladesh army. That what can only be described as a humanitarian catastrophe. In the span of just 24 hours, over 100 homes and shops were burned, where n number of individual people have been killed and injured. Thousands of indigenous people have been displaced from their homes. This situation is critical and the violence is still going on in Chittagong Hill Tract, Bangladesh. This situation is critical and the violence is still going on in Chittagong Hill Tract, Bangladesh, especially Diginala, Khagrachari, Rangamati and some part of Bangladesh. The involvement of the Bangladesh army in this attack is undeniable. Instead of protecting the indigenous people, they have been complicit in the violence, targeting and killing innocent minority people, burning and destroying their homes, and even attacked a Buddhist temple also. As a neighboring country, close culture and historical ties, India has a critical role to play in stopping this violence. The All India Chakma Student Union, the Minister Miss Santana Chakma, and many more intellectuals and leaders call for immediate diplomatic intervention from India, urging Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi to press the Bangladesh government to stop this genocide. As a fellow human, I urge our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, the chief advisor of the interim government of Bangladesh, Sri Muhammad Yunus, and the United Nations to take immediate action and press for the following points to ensure a peaceful environment in Chittagong Hill Tracts. Number 1. Immediate cessation of violence against indigenous communities in the Chittagong Hill Tract. Number 2. To arrest and punishment of those responsible for this brutal attack, including Bangladesh Army. Number 3. Full implementation of the 1997 Chittagong Hill Tract Peace Accord, as promised by the former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. This is not just a local issue, it is a humanitarian crisis. The lives of thousands of indigenous people are at risk right now, and the world must not stay silent. We appeal to the Indian government, the United Nations, and the international community to intervene and save the vulnerable people before it is too late. India's leadership, particularly Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, has the power to pressurize Bangladesh, diplomatically. The indigenous people of Chittagong Hill Tract are preying on India's voice for justice. We cannot allow this violence to be continued. Let's come together. Let us stand together for the justice and the protection of the indigenous people of Chittagong Hill Tracts. They need our support to overcome this critical situation. Also, the minority people are not safe in Bangladesh anymore. Lastly, I would like to say demand for justice, demand for action. Together, we can stop this genocide. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.